we are going to making this product in this tutorial. So this is so much easy. So basically we are going to learn about the glass shader with the gradient texture. So let's start. Make the vertices 16 and then scale it up. Copy it, scale it down on Z axis and move it here. Then we are going to making the inner surface. So intersect it, Alt Z for X-ray view and extrude down. Then we are going to make the cap curve. Select the face and extrude it up. So we are going to learn just glass shader, so we are not going too much details on models. Bevel it. Bevel this is and this is too. Also this is. And then subdivide it. This is totally fine. And then the cap. Then take a plane. Also we can add a ring here. Set origin to center of the mesh, then scale a little bit up and move a little bit up. This is fine. Make the plane down, then scale up. Take another plane, rotate it in y-axis 90 degree and move backward. You can uncheck our source. Yeah. This is good for render. So first, render engine to cycle, then device. If you have any GPU, then GPU compute, and we will make a world from this Blender kit. Successfully downloaded. So now go to the world viewer. Okay, scene is quite ready. Now we will add few lights. This is the top light. You should power it up 100. Increase the light size a little bit up. Then convert the transform pivot point to 3D cursor and duplicate it. R for rotation, so here, and make its size smaller and move it back. Duplicate again, rotate it, and same. This time operate from top and rotate it like this, and also move it a little back. I think this is quite fine. So now Ctrl Alt 0 for set the view for camera angle, and in view just check the camera to view so we can operate our camera. Then we will go to the shader editor. Here, shader editor, shortcut is Shift F3. So for bottom part, take a new material. So base color must be white, roughness is 0, and transmission is 1. First, we are going to make the infill material. So for infill, first select the bottom edge and hit Ctrl plus for select upper edge. Shift D for copy it and T for separate. And then we are going to fill the upper part. And bevel the side. It's fine. And now cancel the material and scale it a little bit down. So now take a new material for that. Take some pink material. Yeah, this is fine. And we will add some bump note here. Yeah, this is fine. Now we will go to our main topic. We will gradient this glass. So first, this color, take a gradient texture here and add a color ramp. Here. So this is totally fine. And then this Ctrl T for texture coordinate and mapping. So now hit Ctrl Shift on color ramp, so we see our gradient value, then Y to 90 degree and X a little bit up. So this will have two color, it's black and white, so we will change it from here. So we want the bottom part transparent and upper part some dark pink color, and this one will be pink and this one will be pink. So let's start. So now and also Ctrl Shift click on principal BSDF for active the shader. This is fine. So now change the black to white. So now first add the cap material. The color will be this. I copied this code, and a little bit metallic. Roughness will be 0, and if we want we can add the coating, and the shade is fine. Now also the same material as the cap, Ctrl L, link materials, and we want this part solid. First is the color, then add a color ramp node here, and color to the FAC, and color to the transmission. Okay. See, the color is not same here. So if we just move this handle a little bit rightward here, this is the same. This is very easy technique for making product like this, and we can add a small level here if we want. We can add a mix shader for the level, but we will not do that. We will make easy. So for that, just copy this part and duplicate it and separate. So, and then uncheck the material value and then new material. So now Ctrl T for our node setup, and I will open the text what I want to put. So we can see nothing because of we should connect our alpha to alpha and disconnect the base color node because of we can control our color from here. So now we will go short UV editing. So for this we should make a seam and then go to our UV editing tab, select all. So first we should make the scale 0. We should apply all our transformation. So here you can see our scale is not 1 here. So Z is 2.8. So we should make it 1 for our UV editing. So our transformation, and it will turn 1. So then go to UV editing and unwrap. Yeah, this. So now just this place is fine. So now scale it up a little bit. Okay. Now add a golden foil. Let's emboss it a little bit so it creates the depth. Yeah, it's fine, and it will brighten the color a little bit also here. And lower the roughness so it looks a little bit premium, and just move the level a little bit up. Also, if you want, we can make it silver. Whatever looks nice, you can do that. I keep it as it is. So this is our tutorial, and just rendering is too much easy. So you know about render, so